Alright, hey, it's me, Lady Princess. If you don't know me, I'm Lady Princess, aka Keisha. Come on, hit that sub button to be a part of the Lady Gang. Because why not? Alright, so I'm happy because today I'm reviewing another wig by a company that sent me a wig. So this is the wig right here. Beautiful box, like beautiful box. Like, you understand, like most of the time when I get makeup boxes, that makeup box looked like it been through, I don't know, a soccer match or something. Like it was the soccer ball because it's always so messed up. But no, look at this. And the packaging was nice, like not beat up whatsoever. Like that's good. So let's go ahead and unbox this because I haven't seen it yet. Wow. Okay. This is beautiful. It comes with a hair thing. Wow. So this is actually an Amazon wig. Let me just take the hairnet off of it. Oh, wow. And this is a middle part. It's already parted for me, which is nice. I still might have to pluck that a little bit, but wow. Let me get a comb so I can show you. Hold on. All right, so wow. Okay, so the wig feels hella soft, like so soft. Okay, let me just go ahead and pluck it on my head and see how. Oh wow, look at this. And then on top of that, I have that 2 combs. Ooh, a few combs in here actually. So it's a comb right here, one right here, one in this middle right here, and then it comes with this. Okay. Oh wow. This is the first time I ever like had a wig this color, and look at this. I believe this is an 18-inch, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is an 18-inch. Bro, look at this. Stiff wear, like, and it's not even like I haven't even flat ironed that hoe yet. Oh my gosh. Wow. Not me feeling myself. All right, so I'm gonna install this. Wow. So let me go ahead and do a wig cap, and I'm gonna show you guys how I put it on, but I'm just gonna put the wig cap on, how I do it, and yeah, I'll be right back. All right, ladies, I'm back. So I got my little ball cap on, you know, or whatever. Let's see. I don't think I ever told you, this is an 18-inch. It's a straight wig. I was kind of, like, it's just not straightened yet, but I'm gonna have to straighten it. Okay, hold on. So I'm just gonna use this and kind of just try to get my foundation on there. I'm just using this. This is where I normally mix all my foundations on, is that little thingy right there. So let me just try to add some foundation on there. Try and get it like, you know, at least semi my skin color. You see this? It's gonna be hard. But the lace is not bad. The lace is actually pretty soft, which I like that, because some companies have really hard lace. Like, bro, that crap's scratching me. It's gonna give me freaking a cut on my forehead. I'm obsessed how straight this wig is. I cannot. All right, let's get started. So how I install my wigs are pretty simple because I am lazy. Ooh, I'm lazy and I don't know how to install wigs. So it's weird. I was doing it this way and it wasn't really working, so I'm just like, okay. So I'm just gonna start putting this on. I'm gonna connect these just because since I'm like bald now, my head is like really tiny. All right. Let's try to get this baby on. Ooh, damn. Wow. Okay, I didn't pluck it or anything. Let's see. Do you see that? All right. All right, so I like to separate like that just because it makes it easier. So yeah. Whew. Wow. I'm feeling myself. All right, how am I gonna cut this baby? I'm trying to see how I'm gonna cut this. I think I'm just gonna cut this bad boy just almost all the way off. I need to go back in on that one. All right. Hold on, I'm gonna go closer to my final review on this wig. Let me see y'all close up. Sorry, I need to like cut more of the lace on off. I don't really be doing like baby hairs. I need to put like concealer right here, but this wig is a steal. For the price, it is a steal. Like, this hair is so soft, guys. So soft. Leave her curls good. Here, where's my little curl at? I messed it up. Because normally I like to put my wigs like that, and I normally like curl that part. Oh, it's right here. Damn it, I kind of like... Anyways, the point is, the wig, it's amazing. Like, I'm gonna tell you to cop this. Cop it. Because, look at this. This is so soft. Like, look at that. Like, look at that. Not stiff. And I know I'm like busting up my hair right now. The color's nice. The company have like actually like a lot of good wigs. And it's on Amazon. It's on Amazon. And it's hard. I don't know about you guys. It's hard to find a good Amazon wig. Like, that is a struggle. But no, I think they actually do have their own website. And then they have it on Amazon too. You could get it on Amazon Prime, sis. Amazon Prime. Heck yes. So, cop this wig. Cop this wig, because look at that. I might cut it a little bit, but the wig is a good wig. It will have you feeling yourself, and it has lace like all right here. So if you want to do baby hairs, you can do baby hairs. You want to pluck it, you could pluck it. It's just the middle part. That's the only... But this is really like an easy wig for beginners because you really don't have to do much. Like, look at me. I did not do much. Ooh, what's on my neck? Oh, I got like a little scar. You do not have to do anything at all to this wig. Baby girl, you better buy this wig. You better buy it. It's cute. Everything about the wig is going to be in that, you know, little description box. And thank you for watching my video, love.